The RETTEW survey department recently had the opportunity to try something new with our drone fleet. Our geosciences group had a challenging site, and we'll show that to you in a little bit. They wanted to know if we could use a drone-mounted magnetometer to fly over the area instead of walking over it with the equipment they usually use. So we looked up the payload capacity of our biggest drone, and the magnetometer is within the range of what the drone can carry. The concern was that because of magnetic interference, the magnetometer can't be mounted right to the bottom of the landing legs. It has to hang 10 to 15 feet below the drone, and when it flies its grid, it'll fly in a straight line and then suddenly stop, and then turn, and then execute the next line of the flight. And the question was, what's going to happen when we hit those turns and the weight hanging many feet below the drone swings out? Is that gonna bring the drone down? Here at RETTEW, we take safety very seriously, and anytime we try something new, there's going to be increased risk associated with that. So our UAV manager has access to a field that's out behind a housing development. There's nothing, it's just a vacant field, and the owner has a helipad there. So this area is already sort of marked on the air maps for other pilots to be cautious in this area. So it's the best test environment that we could think of a place that we could go fly a drone that may or may not crash. So we attached the magnetometer and we flew it around to observe the characteristics. We tried different speeds, we tried different softwares. We tried as many variables as we could think of to try to make sure that this was going to be able to carry this device safely, and that we could go operate this on a real client site and see what we could get.